In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see list of participants in Zoom meeting. If you've ever been in a Zoom meeting and wondered who else is there with you, this quick guide will show you exactly where to look and what to expect. It's simple, it's fast, and once you know where the control is, you'll use it all the time to stay aware of who's in the room. First, make sure you've already joined the Zoom call. Once you're in the meeting window, direct your attention to the control bar that typically appears along the bottom of the screen. On that bar, look for the button labeled Participants. It may display a small icon that looks like two people, and sometimes it shows a number next to it, indicating how many people are currently in the meeting. Go ahead and click the Participants button. As soon as you click it, the Participants pane will appear. On most screens, it opens as a panel on the right-hand side of the meeting window. This pane is your complete roster for the meeting. Here, you'll be able to see a list of every participant who has joined the call. The list typically shows each person's display name, and you may also see small indicators next to their names. For example, a microphone icon might appear to show whether someone is muted or unmuted. If the meeting has designated roles, you might see labels such as host or co-host next to certain names, which helps you identify who's running the session. Some participants may have their hand raised, which is often represented by a small hand icon next to their name. You don't need to do anything with these indicators for now. Just know they're there to give you quick context at a glance. If the meeting is larger, you may notice a scroll bar inside the participants pane. That simply means there are more names than can fit on the screen at once, and you can browse through them to view everyone who has joined. The total count at the top of the pane lets you confirm how many people are present overall. That's all there is to it. Join the meeting, click the Participants button at the bottom, and the Participants pane will appear with the full list of attendees. Once you're done checking, you can keep the pane open as a reference while you participate in the meeting, or simply close it and return your focus to the main discussion. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to find the participant list in any Zoom meeting.